You see my fingers good?
Steady.
Great. Guys, this is the A section of Old Joe Clark, and I'm going to play it real slow so you can see the fingerings. It has 4 phrases, and the first phrase and the third phrase are the same. So here's the first phrase. B, C natural, B, A, G, F sharp. Then the second phrase, A, B, C, B, long, A, long, A. I'm going to do the third phrase. It's just like the first. And notice on the A string, 1 and 2 touch. And on the D string, 2 and 3 touch. Here's the third phrase that's just like the first. Now I'm going to do the last and final phrase, which is totally different. Starts on open D, D, F sharp, E, C on G string, D, long D, long D. Now that last line is different, so I like to practice it more because like when you practice the first and the third line, you're practicing the same thing. And the second line is very similar. But the fourth line is totally different, so you might want to practice that more, and you also might want to practice finger independence. Woo! Let me show you what finger independence is. I put my first finger on the D string, and it stays there as just my third finger goes over to the C note on the G string. I don't need to put all my fingers there. I just need this. This. So here's that last line one more time. D, F sharp, E, C on G string, D, long D, long D. I'll do that last line one more time. Now I'll do the whole thing slow. Remember, 1 and 2 touch on A and 2 and 3 touch on D. Thank you.